Hey, so Apple has just released an update for the Final Cut Pro camera app, and I wanted to get outside just to do a quick update. So you're watching me now in Apple Log, this gray file format. But what I'm gonna do now is throw on one of the brand new Editor's Keys LUTs coming out very, very soon. This is just a fixed LUT. This is gonna make your iPhone log footage look much more cinematic and essentially make it look like it comes from a much more expensive camera than an iPhone. But what do you think? It's on now. Let me know. Now, this update has had some massive improvements. The first one, the one that we really wanted to see, is the ability to shoot in HEVC. If you used the camera app before, you'll know you could only film in the full high quality ProRes format, which was just too big. It always meant you had to carry around an external SSD to really film on your iPhone. So now you can choose this smaller file format and you can record for a long time with your internal iPhone storage. It's also very easy to edit as well. Secondly, they've improved the ISO and shutter speed handling, which is great, and they've included some extra PAL formats. You can now film in 100 frames a second directly to the iPhone. You don't need to use an SSD unless you want to, of course. With this app, you can, of course, use external audio. I'm using the brand new Rode Wireless Micro microphone, and if you want to see the full review on that, it's going to be coming very, very soon. But honestly, I think the audio quality is really, really good coming from this little microphone. So stay tuned for that. And then the next update is they've added this new leveler. So not only can you see on screen the levels from left to right, you also get the roll forward and backward as well. So it means when you're out with your iPhone, you can get some great footage coming from this camera app. Now, I've been filming the iPhone 16 Pro review, and up until today, I've been using the Blackmagic camera app. And whilst it's great, it has some great features, it's very, very buggy. I find that the stabilization isn't very good. If I film in the 5x camera, it jumps and jitters around. I know a lot of you have had that issue. And also the autofocus doesn't work very well. You press record, it loses your exposure. The autofocus sometimes drifts. And I've been out all day filming a review. I get back and look at the footage and I can barely use half of the footage, which means I have to go out and film the whole thing again. So I'm gonna be deleting that Blackmagic camera app because finally, this app has, I think, 95% of everything that I need. It's built by Apple, it's easy to use, and I've set it to work with that action button. So this is great. If you've got any questions, leave them below. There's also an update for Final Cut Pro for the Mac and the iPad, and I'll be doing a full run over of that and show you everything that's new and how you can use it. So just a quick video for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.